everybody. It's Wednesday morning. Last night, well, actually probably this morning, around 1:30 in the morning, we got to Lufkin. Drove through a pilot. It was full. Couldn't even make a spot. Drove to the Loves, which you can see in the mirror there, which is the next exit over. Didn't have any parking, so I'm parked along the side of the road, of the service road, Swift, in front of this, right next to this place here. Yeah, I still cleared the driveway, but I've been on break for 9 hours now. It's been raining a few hours now, but just called safety and asked them to put me on, to activate my personal convenience on the app so I can go ahead and go to the grocery store and do some things. But let's see, I'm 9 hours into my break for the 10 to reset, since I'm in East Texas, and chances are I'll be going to Louisiana for either loads or wells later on eventually. But yeah, got me probably about 7 hours of sleep, and now I'm starting to get hungry, so go ahead and get some groceries or go get something to eat. Swing by a pilot. I'm sure there's parking there now, and just move it to a safer spot. So we'll go ahead and do that and get out of here. Guys, still here at the truck stop at Pilot in Lufkin. So still waiting for a call for dispatch, so in the meantime I figured I better start now before I try to do this later, make something to eat. So I've been in the mood for burgers, so today I'm gonna make vegan burgers. So I don't know what you're thinking, vegan burgers, what the? I know, I'm thinking the same thing, but you know, at least I can have something that tastes like a burger, but it's not. Basically, I'm going to be using today these patties that I got from Kroger's. They're called Beast Burger, and they are certified gluten-free and vegan. Gonna go ahead and cook these up. I do have my conventional oven. I'm gonna hook that up in a minute, set that on top of my fridge, and I have gluten-free vegan bread and also dairy-free, gluten-free vegan cheese, and as far as toppings, I don't think I brought any, but I might have a barbecue sauce that I can put on there as some type of condiment. But I'll take a look and see what I have in the fridge, but I think I do have that for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. Now I have this one stored in the back of my shelving rack. That's on my driver's side. I need to get aluminum foil. All right, got it. While I was on there, went ahead and got me a snack. These are pretty good. I usually get me a box of these from Costco. There we go. All right. But anyway, I usually get a box of those just to, when I get hungry, get a snack. All right. So there's no instructions for conventional oven. It's either the grill or stovetop. So let me see if I can make it work, and we'll see how it tastes afterwards. I'm sure it'll be fine. Don't have any pans, so I'm gonna try to make it something like some type of tiny tray out of aluminum foil. See how that works. We'll find out. There is a dip pan there to catch anything that falls, so I got that as a backup. All right, so these are frozen sealed, vacuum sealed, I'm sorry. And 2 patties. These are 2 quarter-pounders. I'm just gonna do one today. Let's see if I can open this sucker. All right, finally got one patty out, putting it in. Setting a timer for about 8 minutes. I'm trying to do 8 minutes aside. See how that works out. All right, so I do have barbecue sauce. I got today we're gonna be trying out Stubbs Sweet Heat. See how that is. I bought Stubbs before, and I can't remember what flavor it was, but it was really good. And I bought it back when I was hauling frac sand out of somewhere in Louisiana. I just remember going to this grocery store and picking this up, wanting some flavor. So I remember it was this brand, but I can't remember what flavor it was. It might have been something like this, but not sure. The last one I got was just barbecue, which was okay, but I knew it was sweet something, but I'm thinking it might be this. Also, the cheese we're going to be using today is, I think I'm pronouncing this right, Daya cheese. It's dairy-free, soy, gluten-free, yada yada yada. Doesn't melt like the usual cheese. You know, you could just say, yeah, because it's not regular cheese, but it does eventually melt, just not as fast as your traditional cheese. So I'm gonna be using that. And for our bread, we're gonna be using this here, little Northern Bakehouse. We've only been able to find this brand at HEB, so that's where I usually go to get this. Kroger's does not carry it. Kroger has gluten-free bread, but it's not vegan because I think it has egg or some type of milk in it. This one is gluten-free and vegan, so this bread has been our go-to, and I'm probably gonna stick with it because we really like this brand thus far, so it's been good for us and it tastes pretty good. So we're gonna be using this today. As far as greens, I don't have any like spinach, lettuce, or anything. It'd be nice if I did, but I don't. So, and for our sides, it's probably going to be chips. It's gonna be Garden of Eden blue chips. These are pretty decent. I usually go salt, but I think the ones I got today are salt-free. So while this is cooking, we're just gonna kill time. And the closer it gets to flipping the other side and maybe closer to finishing, then I might make room for the bread so the bread can get toasted. And maybe near the last minute of cooking the patty, I'll throw in the cheese and whip that together, put some sauce on it, have my chips and dip on the side, and enjoy. So we'll see how it goes. So it'll be my first time making burgers inside of the truck. Typically I've used this just for either waffles, just making toast. I have made a frozen pizza once. Actually, I do have one here for next time. So can't remember what the size of this pizza, but it should fit. All right, so I've already flipped the burger. Now I'm cooking the opposite side. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the toast in, the bread, so that way it can get toasted. All right. Also, another thing that I like to eat blue chips with is hummus. You can get this at Costco as well. They sell a big box of individually sized hummus. This one here is 2.4 ounces. They sell them in a box like this. It's a 20 pack. I believe you get it for like maybe less than 10 bucks, something like that. But these are pretty good. I like these. If you don't have the option for a bean dip, you're gonna have it on the road, just you always grab one of these. These are about I think 110 calories. Yep, 110 calories per serving. The blue chips is fine. I like it. To me, it reminds me of bean dip. It's just a little bit different flavor, but it's a good option to have if you're trying to eat on the healthier side. Went ahead and flipped the toast over, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the cheese and place it on top of the patty. The toast is on the side, so the patty's right in the middle, so I'm gonna just put this on top of there, and hopefully in a couple of minutes we'll have a burger. So this is the way it's set up. I can see that. So this little oven produces a lot of heat, so I went ahead and turned on the AC for the front of the cab and the back of the cab to kind of cool things down. I know it was chilly earlier, but it's really warmed up the room. After I'm done, basically I'll just have this door open to kind of cool down on its own, and then once it's done cooling down, I'll just clean her up, put it up, and be done with it, really. So far the cheese has been on there for about a minute and a half. As you can see now, it is melted a bit. Toast is ready, getting there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to pull it out and put it all together. That worked out well. Got the patty on one of the toasts. Close this in the meantime. So the patty is 300 calories. Each slice of bread is 70. Let's see, the cheese, one slice, 70. And 2 tablespoons of this is 50 calories. So I know it's not going to be 2 tablespoons, but I'll just say it's 50 calories. So altogether, so far this burger is 420 calories. Alright, so for the blue chips, it's raining bad out there, you can hear the thunder. But for the blue chips, 11 chips makes 140 calories. Hummus is 110. So this whole meal, which is 11 chips, hummus, and the entire burger, I'm looking at 670 calories. And it's vegan and gluten-free. So I'm about to chomp on this and see how the burger turned out. Yeah, it's really good. It's really hot right now, but it's really good. Definitely gonna make this again since I got another patty. But it took me maybe 20 minutes, if that, to do 7 minutes each side, kind of make the toast, cheese, sauce. We counted the chips, 11 chips, and the hummus. So 670 calories for dinner. It's not bad. Definitely will be full from this, and I don't think I'll be hungry after this for maybe about at least 4 hours. So it's definitely gonna hold me down. So that's it for today, guys. I thought I'd just go ahead and show you me making a burger for the first time in the truck using my conventional oven, and showing you that I guess you can make vegan meals out on the road. But even if you're not vegan, you probably still make burgers for yourself. You know, buy frozen patties that are already prepackaged and frozen and sliced and all that, and you know, do the same thing. So that's it for now, guys. Hope you like the videos. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna enjoy my dinner, maybe watch some Netflix, and maybe not off after that and wait until I finally get a call for a load. But again, I'm out here in Lufkin waiting for a pre-fill that was supposed to start tonight. We will see. And you guys be careful, take care out there, stay safe on the road, and hit the like button, subscribe, share, please, and I'll talk to you guys later. Be safe. Bye.